Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import a crosshair in Crosshair X. All right, so first up, make sure that Steam or Epic Games is running. Okay, and then Crosshair X, of course, is running as well. So open up Crosshair X. Now in here, we have the crosshair section. Okay, and if you want to, you could just automatically use one of these crosshairs available from Steam Workshop or some other section like featured. And finally, to import some crosshair, at the top right, as you can see, we have the import option. So just click on it. Now go ahead and click on the first box. Now just press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, as it says here, to paste the code. All right. And here we have the preview of that specific crosshair that you wanted to import. So just basically click on save. And once that's done, it will be right here under your saved crosshairs. That's basically it. Now, if you want to do the same, you wanted to share a code for your crosshair, okay, just go ahead over to the top right here, besides the crosshair. We have the 3 horizontal lines. Now click on share. Now you have multiple options right here, but basically if you want the code, just click on share code. And instead of copying the link, but by the way, you can just copy the link and send it to whoever you want. And if not, you have the code in here, click on it, done. Now, your friends or whoever might want to use your crosshair can just easily click on a port, Ctrl+V right here, submit. Okay, hit out save. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.